Today I'm discussing whether or not the castle would be a right fit for you or not. Welcome to One of a Kind Castle. I'm Karen, the gatekeeper of this magical place where you can unlock your power to rule your fitness and live your happy ever after. So One of a Kind Castle is opening very, very soon. Get on the wait list at oneofakindcastle.com or download one of my PDFs. The links will be in the description box below. One of a Kind Castle is a paid membership, so it's very important to me that you know what you are getting yourself in for before you start, or it may not suit you and you have to get past me to buy the black keys, and I will not let you waste your money or your time. So let's find out, shall we? Transformation is possible for anyone. We all have that power inside us. If you're looking for quick fixes, fast results and instant gratification, then this journey may not be for you. I've designed the castle for those ready to commit to real progress over time. True lasting change is about rewiring your habits, not crash diets and sporadic visits to the gym. You can't rewire a brain overnight. Habits take a little while to wire together all the actions in them. I get it, I really feel for anyone who's wanting these fast results. I really do get it. I have been there and I wanted results in weeks, not months or years. I think a year ago, if you had been dieting very slowly every single day, keeping it in a calorie deficit, where would you be now? Little steps every day for 365 days. It's incredible how those little steps compound. The truth is, fast transformations often lead to burnout, injuries, or backtracking. And that leads to disappointment and the feeling that you're a failure, which you are not. You just didn't know how to do it correctly. And this can sometimes harm not only your physical body, but your mental health too. If you learn all these mindset tricks, use all the tools and techniques and magical gems in the castle, then you should be living in control of your fitness to live your happy ever after. For those battling an eating disorder or have a poor relationship with food, it may not be a right first step for you. Our plan in here is not designed to replace medical therapy or be any kind of intervention when professional help should be sought. My goal is not to turn you away. I would love to have as many ladies in the castle as possible and help them on their journey. But if you're chasing quick, unrealistic goals or dealing with deeper struggles, I know that the best results happen when you are truly ready. So let's move on to the more positive ones. The castle is a fit for you if, let me guess, you've tried every diet and health and exercise plan out there. You start strong and life gets in the way. And before you know it, you're back where you started, feeling like a failure. Am I right? This cycle is not about willpower, it's about finding the right system and mindset. Most plans are one size fits all. We're all unique, aren't we? So I designed the castle so that you are the hero of your story. You decide things. Even in the battle training room, you ease into movement at your own pace. And you push yourself that little bit every time you do the class. If you do not turn and face the dragon, you can't challenge it, can you? So if you keep on doing things over and over and over and getting the same result, then I think that the castle would be good for you. If you're tired of feeling defeated by fitness plans that promise you the world and leave you so disappointed, you're not alone and you are not the problem. Neither is the fitness plan. You must address the mindset for fitness and get the right habits. There's certain things to do that really empower you. There's a place that can remove blocks that keep you stuck. And we have the quantum leap where you visualize the future version of you. There's lots of tools and PDFs. You might be able to see there the Great Hall, and I go in there with a Facebook Live every month to see how all the ladies are getting on and answer some very important questions. Many programs fail because they don't offer the personalised support like that. In the castle here, I want you to rewrite your story. You learn everything, you become empowered, and then you leave. Imagine waking up every morning strong, capable, and confident. Not just in your body, but in your ability to tackle life's challenges. I've had 5 children, so if you've got children, I know you've got lots of challenges. We want you to rediscover your power through small wins, consistency, and strong self-belief. Get your mindset sorted, and then all these programs that you keep trying, you probably succeed with. So if you're fed up with feeling like a failure and you're ready to break free from this terrible despair, I'm here to tell you it is possible. The question is, lovely lady, are you ready to take that step yourself? I'm losing the light in my little gatekeeper's turret here. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, tick the little bell so you get a notification of my next video. The links will all be down below for you. Very well. Welcome to One of a Kind Castle. I'm Karen, the gatekeeper of this magical place where I've got chia seeds stuck in my teeth.